Hi everyone, this is Mark for Future International Day, and today we are going to make pretzels from Germany. So we will need our dough that we have prepared earlier and a little bit of flour sprinkled on the mat. So first you want to squeeze your dough into a ball like this, and then we are going to knead it onto flour like this. We're going to squeeze it, turn it over, squeeze it again, just knead that dough in the flour so it's not sticky anymore. Okay, so we keep doing that, and then what we want to do is roll this out. I think we need a little bit more flour. And we're just going to roll this out using the flour so it sticks together, and just make a nice long piece like this. Okay, and then we are going to make it into the pretzel shape. So we need to fold it around like this, and then one more time, like that, and then we are going to fold it in like that, and then we have our pretzel shape. So then just add a little bit more flour and we can put our pretzel onto the tray, ready for baking. Okay, so thank you for watching everyone. Bye bye.